Hi guys, welcome to this very simple Canva tutorial, how to rotate an image in Canva. So I'm just going to select a logo template right here. We want to go to photos. I'm just going to use one of the photos which Canva provides us with. And I am going to select, drag and drop it here. As you can see right here, the image is centered, and if we want to move it, if we want to rotate it, all we have to do is go to this button right here, which are two arrows. Okay, sorry, I zoomed in too much. These two arrows right here. So how we can rotate an image? We just left click on it and we drag it. As you can see, it can go up to 10 degrees and you can pretty much do a full 360 if you would like as well. So that is how you rotate an image in Canva. I think it's very useful because it shows you the actual rotation degrees and it doesn't just rotate it without giving you any information. So if we leave it at 100 degrees like that, we can do a full 360 like I said. So that is how you do it. It is a super simple process. That is how you rotate an image in Canva. If this video helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you fellas next time. Bye bye.